Hello, my name is Ahmad Abdullah and I'm going to present an idea which is related to the inventory management of hospitals. So the idea is such that a main centralized hospital which is located in district and 10 to 12 care centers which are actually located in some remote areas are connected to this district general hospital. So the database is actually located in district general hospital, and we are managing this database, and this database is actually have information related to the equipment, like this equipment number, equipment category, equipment brand, equipment model, assigned site, and the related Google map. So the need of this idea is uh, actually is uh, lie in this scenario, like all the remote areas which have not all the necessary equipment in care centers can borrow equipment from the main district hospital. So when some remote area care center uh, get borrow some equipment from the main district hospital, so the inventory management become a real time issue. So in this project I have designed this whole scenario in LabVIEW, in which I am going to present how the individual equipment lists are being maintained in separate care centers, and how the database is being managed in main district hospital, and how we can actually locate the equipment. So let's start this. As you can see, this is the GUI of this project, in which you can see this is the database, and this is the tab in which district general hospital data is presented. So this is the database in which all the information related to the equipment is being presented, like equipment number, equipment category, and as I earlier told, the Google map related to the each equipment. And I have assigned RFIDs to each equipment so we can track the equipment ultimately. So the main purpose here is actually we want to locate the equipment location. So if ultimately we have to manage our database, and we don't want our precious equipment should be located, like we have to know actually the location of this precious equipment, like costly the equipment which are in medical are usually costly equipments. So this is the district general hospital, in which you can see there are the list of the equipment, like these are the equipment numbers which actually tell us the present inventory of this district general hospital. And this is the conquest hospital. This is the some care center which is a remote area based care center, and it has this equipment list. All these equipment numbers are belong to the conquest hospital. Similarly, Arthur Blackman Clinic, uh, this care center has two equipment. So I have segregated all the data which is related to each care center in separate tab, so the individual data related to each care center can be seen. And if some new borrow request is made by certain care center, then the after the request acceptance, this new equipment will belong to this new list. So the idea here is if some remote care center want to borrow some equipment, then this request is generally processed by district general hospital, as the database is being managed here in district general hospital. So when a certain hospital like Rai Memorial Hospital want to borrow some equipment, it will put some equipment ID here, and it will push this button that I want to borrow specific equipment. So when district general hospital receive the equipment request, it will process it, and the specific equipment which are being requested by a specific hospital will move to that hospital, and ultimately we can see the assigned site will be changed according to the new hospital. So after that I will present an example related to the equipment borrow request, how these requests are actually processed in district general hospital, which is centralized hospital. And next thing I want to show you here, this is the GUI part, where we can actually find the equipment on Google Maps. So I have incorporated Google Maps in this GUI, so we actually can track the equipment by the equipment RFID. So let's come to the database. In this database we can see we will use this equipment, and like Station Plaza Health Center will ask for this equipment, that this Station Plaza Care Center want to borrow this equipment. So originally this equipment is belongs to Conquest Hospital. So here in Station Plaza, if we want to put some borrow request, then we will move to that specific tab, and here we will write the equipment number that we actually want to. So here you can see above is mentioned quantity. If we want to borrow just a single quantity of this item, then we will put here a 1. Let's just use this equipment. This is 93457, which is actually belongs to Conquest Hospital. Like we want to here want to borrow this equipment, and I will push this button. This requested equipment showing that 93457 equipment is being borrowed by this Station Plaza Health Center. So when I push this OK button, this request will be processed by this district general hospital. So let me push it. After pushing OK, now you can see in this 93457, which actually originally belongs to Conquest Hospital, now is actually belonging to Station Plaza Health Center. So if we want to track this equipment which is now belongs to Station Plaza, what we will do, we will copy the RFID related to this equipment, and we'll put here and check either what's the status of this moved equipment which has been moved from the Conquest Hospital to Station Plaza Health Center. So let's copy the RFID. First we have to get the index of this equipment, which is 93457. This equipment has the index of 8. We will put here 8. This is the RFID. We will copy it, and we will paste it here. Okay, when we push this next button, the GUI will show us the Google map related to this equipment. And let me clear one thing. Earlier this equipment was belonged to Conquest Hospital 93457. Now it belongs to Station Plaza. So the location that must be presented by this GUI should be a Station Plaza. Okay, so I am pushing this equipment. This Google map is now showing the location of the Station Plaza. So these all the hospitals are actually located in UK, and the real-time location of UK can be seen here. So how this project is being worked out, and that's how we can actually track the equipment. So let me present some more example. So let's we get some other hospital. So this equipment, which is 25845, it belongs to District General Hospital, and let me copy it. So I want to like Rother Town Hall. This is Rother Town Hall. These equipment list actually belongs to Rother Town Hall, and you can see there are 4 equipments that belong to Rother Town Hall. I will make a borrow request from this tab. So 25845, this equipment earlier it was belongs to Conquest Hospital, and when I push this button, this request is being forwarded to District General Hospital. 25845 is the equipment number. This request has been generated, and after pushing OK button, this request will be processed by this District General Hospital. So when I push this OK button, you can see 25845 has been processed, and it actually now belongs to Rother Town Hall Hospital. And we can confirm this location from database, and in database you can see the 25845. 25845 earlier it was belonged to District General Hospital, now it belongs to Rother Town Hall Hospital. So we want to track the information, we want to track this equipment, and first we have to gather the index number related to this equipment. 25845. This is located on 29 index. We set here 29, and the RFID, unique RFID, we copy it and we will paste it here. Earlier it was belonged to District General Hospital. After the borrow request, this actually belongs to Rother Town Hall. So let's confirm its location. Now you can see the equipment, the location which has been presented here is Rother Town Hall. So that's how we can utilize this project to locate equipment by RFID, and that's how we can manage database here. So that's how the overall project is working. And if you want to make a project in LabVIEW or in other languages like VHDL, Verilog, you can contact me. I am giving details under description. Thank you.